The Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Moisturizer is a fan favourite skincare product loved by makeup artists and celebrities alike. It's rich in luxurious ingredients that offer numerous benefits to the skin. In this video, we'll be diving into the benefits of this moisturizer, how to use it correctly, including the do's and don'ts. If you're new here, we post skin education and skincare reviews on this channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. What are the key ingredients in the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream and how do they benefit the skin? The Magic Cream is a unique blend of skin-loving ingredients including peptides, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, rosehip and other oils. It also contains hydrators such as glycerin and aloe vera. The formula floods skin with moisture, making it look plumper and smoother for a visible transformation rapidly over time. The BioNymph Peptide Complex. This patented ingredient fights the aging process, stimulating collagen production, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and increasing cell energy. Hyaluronic acid is a substance that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, ensuring your skin is thoroughly hydrated and plumped. The Magic Cream also contains vitamin C and E, which are powerful antioxidants protecting the skin from harmful free radicals and environmental stresses, promoting a youthful and radiant complexion. Vitamin C also works at stimulating collagen within the skin. Rosehip and other oils. These natural oils provide essential fatty acids to the skin, promoting skin elasticity and softness. Now, from the ingredients alone, we can see that this moisturizer is formulated for a dry skin concerned with aging. How to use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Moisturizer. Incorporating the Magic Cream into your skincare routine is pretty straightforward. Start by cleansing your face with your preferred cleanser. Apply your toner, which is optional. You would then proceed with your water-based serums, then oil-based serums. And then take a small amount of the Magic Cream on your fingertips and gently massage it into your skin in a circular motion, working your way up from the neck. You can also apply to your décolletage. If you're using this during the day, follow this up with your favorite sunscreen. However, here are some vital do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Moisturizer. Firstly, we do not recommend this product if you have oily skin or are acne prone. The moisturizer is too rich and most likely will cause congestion for those who have oily or acne prone skin. If you have dry skin and are concerned with fine lines, wrinkles, loss of elasticity, this Magic Cream will be perfect for you. Do not use too much product at once. This cream is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Do a patch test before, ensuring that you are not allergic to any of the ingredients. And then making sure that you do use sunscreen during the day. The Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Moisturizer is an excellent skincare product that offers multiple benefits to the skin. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the appropriate do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more hydrated, youthful and radiant complexion. If you want to learn more about ingredients that promote skin hydration and fight the aging process, then check out these two videos here next.